Central Bureau of Investigation is independently probing the multi-state exam scam with over a dozen arrests and multiple insiders from the National Testing Agency, which is the NTA, in custody. But the NTA seems to be in a denial mode. Appearing before a parliamentary panel on Thursday, the NTA Director General DG Abhishek Singh reportedly said that the NEET UG 2026 paper was not leaked through the system. He said the CBI is investigating the case. When the CBI completes the investigation and calls it a leak, only then will they take the leak. This is in sharp contrast to the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's statement, who publicly admitted that there was a breach in the chain of command in the NEET paper leak case and said that the government was taking responsibility for it. Another significant update has emerged regarding the NEET paper leak case in Maharashtra. The CBI interrogated Latur-based pediatrician Dr. Manoj Shirure in Pune as part of the ongoing inquiry. Prior to this, a CBI team had subjected him to an intensive interrogation lasting approximately 3 hours at his hospital in Latur on Wednesday. Following the arrests of a P.V. Kulkarni and a Shivraj Motgaonkar, the CBI in Pune now considers Dr. Manoj Shirure to be culpable. Investigations are currently underway regarding 3 other doctors, 2 from Nanded and 1 from Latur, who are suspected of the involvement. Now, these individuals are accused of leaking the NEET paper examination. The CBI, who is independently probing the multi-state exam scam with over a dozen arrests and multiple insiders from the NTA in custody, but the NTA seems to be in denial mode. They do not accept that the paper leak happened from their system. They've maintained before the parliamentary panel that only when the CBI terms it to be a leak at the NTA's end would they accept it post the investigation. Although the Education Minister did indicate that it is a leak as far as the NEET chain of command is concerned, which led to several students protesting, losing a year due to the paper leak. It remains to be seen what is going to be the final solution to the paper leak issue. My colleague Brijesh Pandey is joining me right now to get us more details and insights on the story. Well, Brijesh, when we did see the NTA Director General Abhishek Singh appearing before the parliamentary panel, he has outrightly denied, saying that he doesn't accept that the leak took place anywhere in the NEET system. He says that only when the CBI conclusively says that it happened at the NEET's end will he accept it to be a leak. Although the Education Minister has said that as far as the paper leak is concerned, that happened in the NEET's chain of command. Both of them is an absolute mismatch. Who do we trust?
Well, I think, the NTA DG seems to be in a denial mode, and the statement which he made at before the parliamentary panel was absolutely laughable. Because if the leak has not taken place within the system, then how exactly this leak has taken place? He should have, educated the parliamentary panel about it, and he should have given them specific inputs about, how this leak took place and who are the players and how those players were not in any way connected to anybody in the NTA. So, that particular, technical lifeline which the NTA DG was trying to seek and trying to tell the parliamentary panel, this is exactly what he was doing. As to, what exactly will change once the CBI investigation is completed, and if the CBI calls it a paper leak, only then they will admit it as a paper leak is borderline ridiculous. The fact of the matter is that, what Dharmendra Pradhan said, who's a HRD minister, what he said is something which is extremely interesting and important. The fact he accepted that yes, the leak has happened within the system, and also the fact that, in the middle of a massive crisis, which is students, 22 lakh plus students are supposed to give examination once again and, have to undergo trauma. More than 6-7 students, they have committed suicide, they have died by suicide. And in the middle of this kind of mismanagement and a criminal apathy towards student, you know, the kind of statement which NDA DG is making is absolutely shocking.